If you want to access more curve editing tools, then you can go around into preferences from the edit menu and then enable the curves tools option right here. So you can enable this plugin, and now what happens is that you get this edit tool right here where you have more curve editing options. So now what you can do over here is you can press Shift A on your keyboard and bring in a curve right here. So I'm going to bring in circle, as you can see. So once I select the circle, you can see the curve info right here. You can also go around and access all of these settings. So let's say, for example, you can chamfer this out right here, and I can see that it smooths everything out. You can go around with outline right here. You can add in an outline to the curve right here as well, just like this. Similarly, you got the recursive offset right here. You can work around with the offset, and you can see that you can generate multiple curves right here. You can separate the offsets right here as well, and similarly, you can extend the handles. You can subdivide those curves right here, and so forth, as you can see. Similarly, you can split it out as well, and you got different options which you can try to work around with. So let me just delete everything right here. So I'm going to delete all. I'm going to bring in, let's say, a circle right here, just like this, and over here you can see that there's different things. So you can convert the Bezier to surface. So now you can see that according to the curve, surface is added in right here, and you can edit the surface as well. You can also go around and then press tab. I'm just going to delete this out. You can go around onto curve right here. So I'm just going to go around, bring in the circle right here. And now what you can also do is you can go around and work around with different things. So there's surfaces, as you can see right here. There's a loft option over here as well. So I'm just going to go around right here, press Shift D right here, select both of these, loft it out, and this is what you have, as you can see. So you can join out the curves as well, just like this, and loft it along as well. So you can select out the curve right here. So go around, select this, select these out, loft it out over here as well to create different shapes. And that is how you can work around with the curve editing tool inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.